Morning. It's Wednesday, 3rd April 2024. It's Vijay here. Thank you for joining me today. Please note that I am not a SEBI registered advisor, and also the kind of help you have given me to grow this to a 500 subscriber channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. We will grow slowly and steadily with your love and affection. Today is the pre-market commentary of Wednesday, 3rd April. Before that, yesterday was a wonderful day for a lot of people because one could do what we call BTFD as well as SOS. SOS is what I have coined as sell on strength. So also one other thing which was brought out by yesterday's movement was that never short a dull market. So the market was dull for a very long time. In the last half an hour, it picked up because a lot of short covering took place. Yesterday's market was characterized by the significant moves in many scripts in the broader market, especially in the public sector enterprises. So the mojo seems to have come back into the broader market, focusing on the PSUs. So will the party continue today is what we will analyze in the next few minutes. So what has happened after we closed? After we closed, you see the global markets all collapsed virtually. Why? Because the yields went up and the commodity basket went up and the dollar strengthened. That is why we come to the title. $26, $2,300 and $89. You might have guessed that $26 is the ceiling or the resistance for silver, which it has crossed effectively as we move into trading today. $2,300 is the all-time high for gold, which it has again crossed today. And $89 is an intermediate resistance for oil, which it has again crossed today. So all these are trading at significant numbers, which may dictate how the market will go ahead in the next few weeks, months. Now, Asian markets are down, taking a cue from US. So you have Japan, which is down more than 400 points. Hang Seng, which is down by 150 points, and Taiwan, which is down by close to 150 points. Taiwan is important because this morning there was a severe earthquake, 7.4 on the Richter scale, and there is a tsunami warning there. So there could be some, uncertainty in the Taiwanese markets, especially the semiconductor segment stocks. Now, what happened as far as the institutions were concerned yesterday? FIs continued to sell. They sold about 1,600 crores, and DIs did their bit of buying, which is close to 2,000 crores. As far as the turnover was concerned, we crossed 1 lakh crores, which is the normal turnover. We had about 83,000 crores the previous day. So we're back to normal. Today, we should open with a gap down based on what GIFT Nifty says. But will it stay gap down and will it stay negative? We will know based on what the Asian markets behave, especially what the effect of the Taiwanese earthquake is. So yesterday, metals also did well because there is some rumblings that China is doing well, and Secretary Yellen is reaching there today. So there will be some interesting things coming out of China in the next 4 or 5 days. 8th is where she has the press conference. And today, what may work out is that SOS may work out better than BTFD, especially in the frontline stocks. BTFD may still work out in the PSEs and the PSUs and the banks, the public sector banks. Yesterday was a disappointing day for Kotak Bank, probably because, Mr. Uday Kotak has given money to through the electoral bond. So there seems to be some what shall I say, some shadow being cast on the bank. Otherwise, it had made a wonderful technical pattern, a wonderful bullish technical pattern. HDFC Bank could be a savior today. It did well in New York yesterday, independent of what happened to the overall market. IT, again, the major stocks have slumped there. So we should see some pressure on IT, including Infosys. Now, Reliance was very sluggish through the day, and it got up in the last few minutes. So it actually saved the blushes, and we almost closed flat. primarily because of Reliance. So that is what the scenario is. But one has to tread very carefully. As I said, SOS may be the way to go. But nevertheless, the today's movement of the market may be a precursor of what will happen for the next few days. Thank you for joining me here. Have a pleasant trading day, and we